Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Galaxy SmartTag2. It's super easy and we'll have it linked to your phone in just a couple of minutes. First thing is to make sure you have a Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet that's running Android 9 or newer with the Bluetooth enabled. Also, find the Samsung SmartThings app on your phone. If it's not installed yet, you can install it from the Google Play Store. To get the tag ready, remove the little blue plastic pull tab from the tag so it can activate the battery, which is already included inside the tag. Next, give the center button on the tag a quick press. You should hear a little sound, which means it's powered on and ready to pair with your phone via Bluetooth. Now grab your phone and open up that SmartThing app. You should see a pop-up window appear on your phone screen almost immediately since it's detected the tag nearby. When it does, just tap Add. The app will ask for some permissions and location access, which you will need to agree to. It might then ask you to press the button on the SmartTag2 one more time just to confirm the connection. Your device will then get registered and then you should see a success message on your screen. Once it's connected, you can name your tag something useful like keys, backpack, or my silly dog. Once you're happy with the tag name, tap Done, and then on the next screen, tap Continue. The SmartThing Find add-on will then get installed into your SmartThings app so you can use it to locate your personal devices and smart tags. Lastly, you can also assign it to a specific spot in your home within the app. You can also check the battery level of the tag, which if it's new, it should be full. And you can also set the ringtone and volume. Now your SmartTag2 is ready to use and you'll be able to see exactly where it is on the SmartThings Find map.